We don't groom at temperatures less than minus 20 Celsius. Low temperatures are hard on machines, and usually our snow arrives when the weather warms up anyway. We can start the Kohler engine in our Snow Rabbit at minus 10 Celsius without additional heat. But for colder temperatures, since we're off-grid, we depend on a Honda 2200 watt inverter to power the circulating coolant heater installed on the engine. Diesel fuel can separate at very cold temperatures, so we have an electric heat pad on the fuel filter, but haven't had to use it yet. We always fill the fuel tank at the end of each workday. If we leave space in the tank above the fuel, frost or condensation can form, and we may end up with water in the fuel. To combat water in the fuel, we always add 100 milliliters of diesel additive per 20 liters of diesel. For all grease fittings, we use high-quality Moly grease designed for cold weather. The manual for the Snow Rabbit lists recommended lubricants and coolant, but none are available in Canada. So we had to research the equivalent fluids. A list of what we use shows in the video description. The Snow Rabbit is built close to the ground. It's too low to curl under for servicing, so we dug a ditch 18 inches deep so that we can slide under the machine. We check track tension regularly. We made up a tool that's 145 millimeters wide on one side and 140 millimeters on the other. The tool fits between the first and second tires. The 140 millimeter side should be a loose fit, and the 145 millimeter side should be too tight if the track is adjusted correctly. In the summer, we first completely loosen the tension on both tracks. Then we cover the Snow Rabbit with tarps. The tracks have their own covers to keep the sun from degrading the rubber belting and tires. When we park the Snow Rabbit for the summer, we try to have a full tank of winter-grade diesel. Winter-grade diesel has more additives, which is better for summer. In summer, we start the Snow Rabbit each month and run the engine at 1400 RPM for at least 15 minutes to charge the battery and get oil circulating. To change the engine oil, we access the oil pan from the ditch. The Snow Rabbit holds 16 liters of engine oil, so we need a large 20-liter pan to collect the oil. The drain plug is on the side of the oil pan. Pull the plug and the oil will shoot out onto the track. Not good. So we made a deflector. We cut a section of 4-inch diameter white plastic drain pipe, 59 centimeters long and 9 centimeters wide. Our deflector fits tightly in an opening in the belly pan. When the drain plug is pulled, the deflector redirects the oil straight down into the drain pan. Much better. All the maintenance is complete. It's snowing and time to start grooming.